Bye-bye. I can definitely hear the magpies. Oh, it's Velcro. Hi, Kitty. You're so cute. I'm gonna go on my walk now. Ooh. What are you doing? Oh. Oh. There they go. That was weird. They didn't like each other at all. Huh. I was actually kind of expecting to see the chickens since it's later. I'm leaving later. I'm just going on a walk right now before work. I guess I'll see them later, probably. I don't know. Well, there's one of my crows, I think, hanging out on top of the school. Is the coast cleared? Yes. Think he sees me? I'm coming. Well, I guess I better get these treats out. Were you talking to me? I got some treats. One second, I was trying to open this. Okay. I'll just put some right here. A small treat. Okay. Cool. Yeah, he knows me. He's either calling out to me or calling some of his buddies. Oh, like you. I should have left more. I'm sorry. I didn't know. Well, maybe I'll leave a second treat. There, another small one. Oh, I'm zoomed in. Ugh. Some for you too. Yeah, okay, there we go. Yeah. Now we got some happy friends. Morning. I'm friends with the neighborhood crows. I just fed them little treats.
Oh.
Yeah.
Cold morning for anyone, isn't it?
Yeah, they come looking for me.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so I carry a little bag of nuts and cat food.
Oh, that's pretty cool. They know you.
Yeah, yeah.
Ah, that's funny.
It makes my walks more fun.
That's pretty cool. I know my grandson goes to school here, and I come in like an hour early to pick him up, and I just like walk like 3 miles around, and there's always something interesting to see. You know?
Yeah.
This morning I get the call, hey, I forgot my homework.
Oh no.
Yeah, so here I am.
Alright, well, you too. Is that a street cleaner? Yeah. So I'm walking by Dick and Jane's spot. I'm heading to Fred Meyer. Just a fun, funky place. Always love looking at it. Got coffee at the Warriors Quick Stop. Who the heck are the Warriors? It's no team of ours. Why are they called that? I don't know. one's awake yet. It's a chilly morning. I don't blame them for sleeping in. That's a bunch of quail. I'm going to scare them. Better run! Oh! Bye-bye! Yeah! Bye-bye! Hey! He's so chatty. It's like he's doing vocal practice. Okay, I gotta get going to work. He's just making some neat noises. Pepe! Hi, Pepe! Kitty! How are you? It's a nice day, isn't it? Where are you going, Kitty? Kitty, Kitty, let me pet you once more. I'm going to work. I'm not following you in her yard. Bye-bye. Surprise Pepe. Yay. Hey, the chickens are out. And there's everyone. I see you four. And then the other one. You're right there. Okay. Well, I'm off to work. I'm doing the closing shift. So I'm leaving later. We found a bunch of friends today. Oh no. Work gloves. There's a car coming, but from the other way. Put these up here. I don't know. Maybe it's this guy's gloves. So the guy with the dogs, I'm just leaving in front of his gate there. Hope someone finds it. At least it's not in the street now. What's this? Look at a kitty. Oh no! Kitty, kitty. I see your glowing green collar. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Oh, do you see the eyes? You can't see it, but its collar is bright green. Kitty, kitty. Oh, bye-bye, kitty. He's just chilling up in the tree. I saw a green something, and he had a glow-in-the-dark collar, or it was light up like LED lights. It was a black and white kitty. You couldn't really see with the night vision. But it didn't want to be pet. It doesn't know me.